Hello everybody, this is Matthew Bogus. Welcome to my Prezi presentation entitled Snapchat in Libraries. The outline of this presentation is best library setting for Snapchat. What is Snapchat and what does it do? Likes, dislikes, surprises, possible improvements, uses in libraries, and best practices in libraries. The best library setting for Snapchat would be a public library setting. It could be used to promote social media campaigns and event series in a library. For instance, in terms of promoting a library function such as a book sale, a snap could be sent to patrons of the library who have the Snapchat app as a reminder the week of or day before the event. This could increase people coming into the library for the event. What is Snapchat and what does it do? Snapchat is a photo and video sharing social media platform that provides a way to share temporary messages and updates with its users and their respective individual contacts. Likes. I will say that I like that I can find my contacts and my friends' contacts without having to search in depth on the app. I like the photo editing capabilities of the app. I feel I can make something look more well made compared to a regular selfie. Dislikes. To me, the most glaring drawback for Snapchat is the short-lived life of the post compared to a Facebook post. If I were working in a library having a post promoting said institution, it would be better to have it stay permanently instead of disappearing after a user reads the message or sees the photo. I am surprised by the amount of filters on the Snapchat app. I am not used to seeing that many different filters or features in regards to taking a cell phone photo. Possible improvements. I wish the Snapchat app could allow for links in the biography, in the description page of an institution, such as a link to a university library. Use in libraries. Snapchat can be or should be used to engage teenagers and young adults at public libraries. In doing so, it will allow these young patrons to participate in creating content designed for them at their library. Best practices. I think there could be a couple of best practices in utilizing this application. That would be checking the messages 3 times a day during business hours. Another best practice is updating the library story twice a day to prevent it from going dormant before the next business day. Thank you all for listening. Have a good day.